Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. It is Update Monday. It is September 30th, 2019, and we're going to talk about what happened last week, what's going to happen this week, and all the goodies in between. So, let's first talk about Stevens International. They are the supplier of my hobby town. They are fantastic. They sell great parts, items for hobbying. They have model kits, and you should check out Hobby Town in Sanford. It's fantastic. So they're not a sponsor or anything. I just think that they're a good company. He just moved to a new location. It's bigger, and I think that any place that has a lot of hobby stuff is a great place to go if the staff's friendly and the selection's great, and that's what's going on there. So just wanted to mention that. So I went there on Friday, got some stuff, and you saw my live stream on Friday. I went over all that. If not, that's okay. You'll see the stuff being used throughout future videos. So let's put that to the side. On Wednesday of last week, we did part 4 of our building technique series of the Tiger 1. I didn't mention there, but I mentioned, I believe on the Friday stream, that I have 10 videos done so far of this, and Wednesday we'll release video 5, and I'm getting backed up on it. So I may do a double release on Wednesday where you get 5 and 6. They're 20-minute episodes. You get 5 and 6. But I don't know how that's going to work with my Warhammer Wednesday release. If you guys want 3 videos in one day, so let me know. And if you want me to move building techniques to Tuesday, I am more than welcome to move building techniques to Tuesday and have Wednesday, Warhammer Wednesday and Kit Review Wednesday. So let me know what you guys feel about that. So let me know. That's the Riot Field Tiger 1, our building technique series. It's every Wednesday. Last Wednesday was the Tiger 1, episode 4. So, and episode 5 will be this week, Wednesday. Maybe possibly 2 episodes along with the Warhammer Kit Bash Wednesday. So, speaking of Warhammer Kit Bash Wednesday, I have made a ton of progress on my Tech Marine. I don't have the paper. That is weird. Oh, yeah, I do. There we go. So, building a plastic Tech Marine. I know they have this Tech Marine out, but I'm building a plastic version of the Tech Marine. I have a lot worked out on it. This is in collaboration with John Kessler's channel. I'll put a link below to his channel. He's doing Commander Dante. He's turning the resin kit into a plastic kit, and from what I can tell, he's doing a remarkable job. His whole channel is very good. He talks about all different kind of aspects of hobby, from tabletop games to war games to models and painting, and, you know, what to eat when you're hobbying. You know, he's got rules. It's fantastic. It's a great watch. You guys should check it out. Like I said, I'll put a link to his channel in the description. So that's Kit Bash Wednesday. We'll be doing probably the live stream worked out pretty well on it last week, so if all goes well, I'll do another live stream of Kit Bash Wednesday. That seems to work out. You know, do like 30-40 minutes of, you know, me building stuff, you know, working through my brainstorms so you guys can see how I think, which could be a scary thing, people. Could be a scary thing. So we talked about the building techniques. Tuesday, tomorrow, is going to be your kit review. I'm not sure what kit is going to be released. I have to look into that, so you have to be on the lookout. The next up is the King Tiger by TACCOM. The build review I'm doing, it is coming along very nicely. I have the entire upper outer hull done. It's on this mount because I gotta work on the inside. But the outside is done. I just got to work on the radios and the machine gun and all of the insides. The lower hull is done. Lower hull is done. Decals are on. All that good stuff. You'll see that in the part 4 or part 3, and then you'll see part 4 will be coming out shortly. But it's getting along. We're going to be done with this review. We'll be starting our new review, which would be the Panther Late A. The Panther A Late, it is just like this, the same kit as the one I am building and painting, but this one will just be a build, and it will focus on the photo etch, how to add photo etch to your models, and how to do the research and go through your research material to build everything as accurate as you want to the model you pick. Like we picked the 267 command tank, so we're gonna pick all the options that have the command tank. And the reference that I'm using has the anti-aircraft machine gun, but it does have some fender missing. And some tools are in a different spot, so I'm going to show you how to address those situations when it comes down to making one of to doing one of these accurately. So it'll be another build review as soon as the King Tiger build review is done. This will pick up. It'll be a Panther build review, and it'll be part of Panther Tank Sunday. Also, we talked about the King Tiger on Tiger Tank Saturday, along with the Yag Tiger, and slight delay on the Yag Tiger. It won't be delayed as long as I thought, because I did get a mask for my spray booth. If you guys watched my episode, I had some issues with my spray booth, and I inhaled a bunch of lacquer paint, and I felt ill for about 2 days. So I got a mask, and I cleaned my spray booth filter, so it sprays great now. So now I'm probably going to be able to put paint down on to the Yag Tiger and get some more progress on there when I thought I was going to be out for a week on that. But we'll see how it goes, and Tiger Tank Saturday may just be about Tiger Tanks, guys, not a Yag Tiger. And then on Panther Sunday, we're talking about the Panthers. We're doing the Panther Late. I have actually got some interior done on this. I'm hoping to get some more interior done today. And then we'll have a nice update on the painted version coming out on Sunday, Panther Tank Sunday. And maybe some information on the Berged Panther. So the Berged Panther is kind of sitting idle. I'm going to try to fix the orange with a filter and see how that works, and then do some more building of the crane and the mast and all that stuff, and hopefully get that painted, and then we'll have something that looks like a model that's horribly painted. So that will be your Sunday, Panther Tank Sunday. And of course there could be a build review or a Sprue review of a Panther kit throughout the week, like on Tuesdays, and things like that. Thursdays will now be occupied by the USS North Carolina battleship. Floating the idea of Spooky Ship Thursday, because my wife did a bunch of research on the North Carolina, and she has some history, and she has discovered that there is paranormal activity on the North Carolina. So I'm going to share that during my builds of the North Carolina. When I do my build video, she's writing me a bunch of notes, and I'm going to go over the notes and the history and talk about all interesting facts and stuff that went on with the North Carolina as I build it. So I'm gonna try to build a good chunk of it on camera. There's a lot of repetition in here. You'll see in the review of the kit on Thursday that the guns get built over and over again, and just there's a lot of repetition. Plus, I have the PE upgrade kit, and I also have a brass barrel upgrade kit that has not arrived yet. So I am looking for that to arrive, and then I'll do a review on both upgrade kits, comparing them, because I believe they both come with PE handrails and whatnot. So that's the North Carolina. So you're looking at 2 Thursdays away for the start of the build at the earliest, because I want to at least get the King Tiger review done, and the review of the Panther, that'll go together quickly. I've built a lot of Panthers, so they go together pretty quick for me. So, but I want to make this a Thursday thing. I may mix it up between videos and live streams and all that good stuff, and we're going to talk about some history of it. And we're going to build this thing. It's only like 630 plus parts. It does have a sheet of photo etch that has probably that many parts on it. And then the brass barrels that are coming, it's going to be nice. So that is what's going to be happening on Thursdays, is the North Carolina. So this Thursday you'll get the review of the kit, and then hopefully next Thursday you will get the review of the upgrade kits, and then it'll be off to the races on building this and talking about its history. So I hope that you guys will stick around and enjoy the weeks to come, and what's coming up this week. And then just to recap, tomorrow will be a kit review of, let's see what we have here. Tacom Jagd Panther G2, kit number 2118. It'll be a sprue review look at that. It's actually a pretty cool kit. I believe that's the one with the cool Zimmerit pattern, if I'm not mistaken. But you'll see that in the video. Then Wednesday will be your building techniques and your kit bash Wednesday. Thursday will be your review of your North Carolina. Friday will possibly be another episode of Feedback Friday. If not, I will release the King Tiger build review, or some information and some looks at some different tools or videos and things like that. My Patreons will get a tool review only release this week on Tuesday, hopefully, and they will get to see it first for an entire week before anybody else gets to see it. So you can stop by and visit my Patreon page and sign up for that if you so choose. It's always appreciated. It's greatly appreciated. And while I'm doing this, thank you to my Patreon. Thank you so much for your support. You've been there forever, man. I appreciate it. You're good people, really good people, let me tell you. I appreciate all your support. And then on Saturday will be Tiger Tank Saturday, and it will cover probably some more of the King Tiger, the actual building techniques I used in that, and then hopefully some of the Jagd Tiger will be on there. Might talk about the history of the Jagd Tiger, stuff like that. I want to start incorporating history into my builds, because people seem to be confused on some of the history of the things I built. So, and then again we come back to Sunday, Panther Tank Sunday. It'll be on Panther Tanks, whether it's starting a tank, what to do. Like yesterday's Panther Tank Sunday, I did a video on, you bought a tank, now what do you do? So I went through some reference books and things like that. And I have another idea planned for a little section of Panther Sunday where I go through a picture book showing you all the parts that go in a Panther. It's a Panther G, but you can just look at the difference in the one book and just see what goes and what doesn't go. So it's a fantastic reference material. So, and then after that, it would be again Monday. It'd be Update Monday, and we will be talking about more things. And hopefully on next Monday I can say, hey, I have the I have both upgrade kits for the North Carolina. The review will be Thursday. So hopefully I have one. I have one PE sprue from I'm not sure. It's Stevens International, I believe, is the distributor. I'm not aware of who it's from, so that's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed Update Sunday. Thank you for sticking to the end here and watching this. I appreciate it. If you didn't, well, you missed the end. So, you guys have a fantastic day.